Welcome. If you're a Pinterest creator who loves sharing templates and want to make sure you never miss a notification when someone uses your template, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to allow notifications for using your template on Pinterest right from your PC. This updated method is quick, easy, and ensures you stay connected with your audience. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything related to your Pinterest experience. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a list of categories on the left. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts Pinterest sends you, so you can customize exactly what you want to be notified about. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Collages at Pins you published. This is the setting that lets you receive notifications when someone uses your template or interacts with your published pins in a collaborative way. To enable notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Push so that it turns on. This means Pinterest will send you push notifications directly to your device whenever someone uses your template. Don't forget this crucial step. After enabling push notifications, scroll down and click Save to make sure your changes are applied. If you skip this, your new settings won't be saved, and you might miss out on important updates. And that's it. You're all set. Now, every time someone uses your template on Pinterest, you'll get a notification, keeping you informed and engaged with your community. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. See you next time.